Good morning, everyone, and thank you for attending the DARPA SBIR and STTR programs webinar on preparing to commercialize SBIR and STTR technologies. My name is June Chocolese, and I work for the Foundation for Enterprise Development. I am the Technology Transition Manager for the DARPA SBIR and STTR Transition and Commercialization Support Program. Before we begin today, I have a few administrative items to relate to you. Sound for all attendees is automatically muted during the webinar. You can increase or decrease the volume on your audio by adjusting the volume on your computer. The white arrow in the red box on the top right corner of your screen expands or hides your control panel. On this control panel, please click View, Full Screen to see the briefing charts being presented. We have 5 presenters today, and there will be a Q&A after each briefing. As questions arise during the briefings, please type them into the question box in your control panel in real time. After each briefing, we will answer as many questions as time allows. If we do not get to your question during the webinar, we will get back to you later with an answer. And finally, today's webinar is being recorded. The resulting video will be posted on the DARPA website this fall and will include both the audio of each briefer's presentation as well as copies of their briefing charts. Now a few brief remarks about the Foundation for Enterprise Development. We are DARPA's contractor providing transition and commercialization support for SBIR and STTR Phase 2 projects. Our assistance to companies includes identifying potential application areas, business models, test and evaluation opportunities, as well as potential collaborators, partners, and Phase 3 funding sources. The goal is to support the transition of the new technologies being developed into operational environments in the DoD as well as other federal and commercial markets. We also develop materials, tools, and transition success and feature reports, and conduct training webinars such as this one presented today to assist companies with their transition activities. Please visit the DARPA Small Business Program Office website to access these materials, including the DARPA Small Business Transition Planning Tool, the DARPA Transition Guide, a primer video on how to do business with DARPA, and more than 55 reports that document the successful transition of DARPA SBIR and STTR funded technologies. Now it is my pleasure to introduce Susan Nichols, the Director of the DARPA Small Business Program Office, who will provide introductory comments.
Good morning, everyone. As June said, I'm Susan Nichols. I'm the Program Director for DARPA Small Business Programs Office. I just want to let everyone know that this workshop is very important. I hope you get a lot out of it, and I hope you will give us some feedback on, what was positive and any improvements that we could do to this program, because your feedback is very important so that we can offer these kinds of webinars in the future. And with that, I'm going to turn it back over so that we have plenty of time for all of the speakers to relay all the information they have for you today. Thank you very much.
We have 5 presentations today with Q&A following. Thank you, Susan, very much for your remarks. We plan to wrap up by 1:30 Eastern Time today, 10:30 Pacific. If you have any questions, remember to type your questions into the question box in your control panel and send it to us.